Log into ICTBroadcast web portal. Select the main menu, Campaigns. Select the sub-menu, Campaign Management, and click on it. Click on the Add New button from top right side. Page open. Select the agent campaign and click on it. Page will opens. Enter the following required information in desired fields. Name. Enter the campaign name. Dialing mode. ICT broadcast. Support the following different dialing modes: inbound dialing, predictive dialing, progressive dialing preview, dialing. Contact group. Select contact group for campaign. So ICT broadcast will dial the numbers for selected contact group only. Enter the caller ID. Caller ID is the number that appears when a call is received by the recipient. Select the dialogue script. Admin user can create dialogue script using interactions or custom tokens that will be replaced with recipient information in Agent panel. Select the agent. During campaign creation, you can select multiple agents, and these agents can dial the numbers from assigned contact list. Max concurrent channels. Max concurrent channels in ICT broadcast refer to the maximum number of simultaneous calls that can be made. Max retries. Max retries in ICT broadcast refers to the maximum number of attempts the system will make to contact a specific predefined contact when the initial call does not connect or is not answered.